Hey everyone, today I'm going to unbox the GrowStar S600 LED Growlight, which was sent to me by GrowStar. This is Tim from Organic Backyard Gardening. We're going to take a look at this light. Packaged very well, and we have, you can see that it came straight from Amazon fulfillment. So it comes with a little manual, and this is perfect. We'll go through this in just a moment. And this is what it looks like. So take this right out. Now it is fairly heavy, actually. This feels like it might be a few pounds. It has fans on the top. So this is a little different from some of the newer LED models, where you have a driver on the top and the LEDs just mounted to a board. This actually has fans, which leads me to believe that there might be some heat that gets created from this, but that's actually good. I'm looking forward to using this in my greenhouse, so I actually won't mind the extra heat that comes out of this. And then it comes with a cord, and this is great. It also comes with the ratchet cords, which are really helpful for mounting them. So it looks like it comes with just one. Let me see, are there two here? Okay, I think there's just one ratchet cord. So it looks like how this works. Oh, this is really neat. So this is pretty simple. I like how it hangs directly in the center. So there is no daisy chain. So it looks like the power cord goes directly into the top here. Looking at the specifications, what's interesting is that about 60 centimeters, so it's about 2 feet, it's saying that the coverage is 9 by 8 feet, which seems very large to me. So at 2 feet, the par value is showed to be 450, which is great. So it would actually be very interesting to see that if I can have a grow space that large at only 2 feet of 2 feet of height. So let's plug this in and see how this light looks. All right, so now I'm reading something else in the manual. It says, this light is designed to cover a 5 by 5 foot area. So it looks like that there's some contradictions between the manual. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and the bell to be notified when we post new videos. And you turn it on. Okay, so the fans instantly come on, which is interesting. I'm surprised that there's no element in here to determine when it makes sense to put this on based on the heat. So let's take a look at how. Whoa, now this is extremely bright. I actually don't have sunglasses on right now, but I probably should because it's... There are 56 LEDs plus 2 large ones in the middle. There's, on each side, there's 6 bluish ones, and these are more of a purple. All the others are more of a purple, and the middle is, and it definitely gives off quite a bit of heat. You can already feel it by putting your hand in front of the LED. It mentions it's not waterproof, so I'm not sure about using this in a very moist environment. So indoor use only, not waterproof. Make sure the LED grow light in dry and ventilated environment. So it looks like there's a typo here. All right, so that's kind of a bummer because I was hoping to use this in a greenhouse. There's gonna be a lot of water dripping down on it. So I will probably not use this in the greenhouse. I'll probably just use this in my grow room. Anyways, I'm going to reach out to the manufacturer. So overall, this looks like a very high-powered light. And if you want to pick one up, I'm going to put links to some coupon codes below. And one thing I would note, I have not used this yet. I'm not sure how well it's going to perform. So I'm going to put this to the test, and I'll post another video and let you know how this goes. Thanks, everyone.